Alright, so what I'm going to do for you guys today is I'm going to make a jelly truck for jelly. So I'm going to be going to Los Santos Customs, and let's see if we can get no problems. So I really want to make this jello truck and inspiration for jelly, and I'm making this for you, Jelly. Um, it's not gonna be just I beat the game, so I have a lot of money. So basically, I'm just gonna be making a jelly truck with the money that I beat the game with. I've had the game beat for about a month now. Haven't been playing it. Picked it back up because I've been playing Assassin's Creed Unity, but I picked it back up so that I could finish everything else that didn't go along with the main storyline, which was basically the whole turning down of making all these cars. And once I've done this jelly truck, I will go and I will show you all the cars that I have basically stored up in the downtown Franklin garage. And yeah, so this would be on a new gen PlayStation 4 console. So
what brings you in today?
alright, so first thing we need to do is repair it.
That should do the trick.
All the way armor, brakes, race brakes, bumpers, painted skid plate, painted
That
skid
car was a
bar,
woman? I guess her.
red cap, painted bar. Okay, engine's gonna be all the way up. Fuel tank. It's gonna be like extended grill, black grill.
Sharp.
Alright, primary color, metallic. Okay, so primary color is gonna be
Now that's going to be a smooth ride.
sorry about that, I wasn't really yeah. Alright,
This is the same stuff they use on armored cars, you know.
alright, so here would be our finished jelly truck. Jelly, if you see this would be dedicated to you. Alright, now to go back to my garage. In the meantime, show you the cars I've accumulated. So basically, right now I've got a little bit of else stuff to do, as you can see. If you all don't know, there would be a little trick here at this L. after you say do the first Franklin assassination mission for Lester, but once you get past it, wait on the rest until the end of the game, and you'll basically get more for each job you do. But yeah, I'll do the rest of this mini stuff, and then the game will be like fully completed, and I'm almost done with everything. So yeah, this will be my jelly truck, but so there's a 5-year-old here, and he deleted my last save, so I didn't really get to do anything. I did have a lot of cards with Michael, but can't really use them because the 5-year-old had deleted them, so he'd be, well, my dad's not married to her, so my dad's girlfriend's son would be 5 years old, and he likes to get on your game with system when you're not there, and he likes to play, and he'll get on your name because he doesn't like to play on his own for some reason, probably because he can't get past the first mission. But he deleted my whole game only once, and I had to redo my whole entire game. Alright, so this so I have my adder right here. It's got a dark green metallic pearl sent into a bluish. I picked this one up off the road. I've got my jelly truck, of course, and actually you're supposed to have to buy this in Tornel, but I found this one driving on this road. So it's weird, but it's a good thing. Alright, so that's gonna be all it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.